Okay, you want to show them the parcel we received? Huh? Okay, face the camera. Come here, come here. Why are you there? Show your face. Oh my gosh. Ana, oh, ana, ah. Ana. You want to open? Huh? Okay. Mama will help you. It's dangerous. La la la. Ana. Baba ordered this online because you destroyed your charger. You pulled the charger and then it was broken. So we need to replace so you can charge the battery of your car. This car. This is a very nice car and expensive, and we are not using it because you destroyed the charger. There's no battery. Oh, there's a battery but not charged. So we need another charger like this. We'll try if it fits. Okay. Let's see. We'll remove the battery here and we'll check if it fits. Uh-oh, I'm afraid it's not. Uh-oh, it's not. OMG, it's not working. It's another one, another charger. We'll tell Baba. It's different. Cannot. It's not fitting. It's different. Cut the half of the opening so the battery will fit the charger. And now it's working. It's charging. Now it's charging, baby. It's charging. Oh, it's with green. I have a surprise for you, baby. Wait. It's my surprise. Why you? Okay. Very strong, very fast. Oh. Very fast, baby. No, strong and fast. It will run on the carpet. Oh, even the slippers. Oops. Very fast. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Come here. Okay, turn. Very fast. No? Here, this one. And this one also. Sige, press. Sige, the other button. Here. Other one. Here. Forward, ana. Sige. You can also use this one. Forward, backward. Ana.